So the whole point of this set is that we want to, again, reframe challenges as being opportunities and not obstacles. So the way that this set works is we're going to have a series of send-offs, distances, and intervals. But then we're also going to have a penalty. And I really don't like the word penalty. I think I'm going to kind of change that up and probably make it an opportunity. But how it works is we have 3 groups and they're doing rock, paper, scissors. And you can do it as 2 groups, as 1 group, whatever you want. But with our groups, the winner is actually the loser. And I'll show you why. So here in set 1, the set is 5 100s on 140 with an opportunity of 10 seconds. Group 1 and Group 2 are going to get that opportunity. So that's why their send-off is 5 100s on 130, 5 100s on 130, and Group 3 is on 140. And you might ask, that sounds like it's a good thing for them, but the whole point of this set is that we want our average per 50 to be as fast as possible. Okay, so right now, Groups 1 and 2 are in the lead because their average per 50 is 45 seconds, whereas Group 3's is 50. So yes, you want to win rock, paper, scissors because it's rock, paper, scissors. But then the opportunity comes to have a harder, more challenging set. So let's try to make one. We're going to come down here. My set's going to be 10. I'm going to be mean 200s on. Now, this is super important. When you insert times, you have to include in this format where it goes hours, minutes, seconds. Okay. If you don't, it's not going to recognize that as an actual time. For my penalty, I'm going to put the penalty as 20 seconds. So 0 for hours, 0 for minutes, 20 for seconds. Okay. So I've got my sets down here for groups 1, 2, and 3. And now I'm going to have them play rock, paper, scissors. So let's say group 1 does rock, group 2 does rock, and group 3 does paper. So group 3 is the winner, but really they're the losers because their interval stays the same. Group 2 and group 1 now have a faster interval, which means that they are in first place when it comes to the average per 50. So let's do another set. So we're going to say this set is 8 100s on 110. Again, hours, minutes, seconds. And I'm going to have my penalty just be 5 seconds here. Now I come in and I'm going to say that group 1 is going to be the winner, but really the loser. So they did scissors. And then group 2 did paper and paper. So group 1 is the winner, but they're the loser because they don't get the opportunity to have a more challenging set. So when we come down here, it says 8 100s on 110 for group 1 because they won the rock, paper, scissors. But groups 2 and 3 have that opportunity enforced where it's now a 105 and their average per 50 time is going to be faster. So now group 2 is in first place because their average per 50 is a 37.86, whereas group 1 is a 38.57.